నేను పట్టలేదు. వాళ్ళు పడాలి, నేను పడుతూ ఉండాలి. దొరికేది లైట్ కనిపించట్లేదు. దీస్ పీపుల్ బిలాంగ్ టు fishing families. These three ladies and that young man belong to fisher families. They lost their houses by Helen cyclone. In this matter, they evacuated from their houses to safer places. We met these people in this village, Pallam. This is located in Katrikona Mandal in East Godavari, Andhra Pradesh, India. Now we are giving them blankets here. This is the very temporary. Later again we want to reach them with some food material, some other material to help them, to feed them at least 1 week. So now we are giving them blankets. Blankets. Now we are giving them. Krishna kada? Krishna. అలా కనపడేలా పట్టుకోండి. ఎలా పట్టుకోండి. అందరినీ కవర్ చేస్తే ఫోటో కూడా తీయరు. ఆఫ్టర్ వీడియో కెమెరా డ్రైవర్ గారికి ఇచ్చి కృష్ణ ఓకే ఫోటో తీయండి. We are here, two other people interested. This person Dara Salman, this person Salman Razu. They came here to reach these people as volunteers. They came here. They are helping me to reach these people on behalf of the Church of Our Lady and Savior India.